Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the count back line indicator for MT4 and MT5, although I am going to be explaining on the MT4 terminal. If you check the description below, you're going to see the link to the MT4 and MT5 count backline indicators. Okay, it's on the same web page. If you want to download the MT4 or the MT5 version, just follow that link below. All right, so after downloading the indicator, head over to your indicators folder. All right, MQL4, this is for the MT4, okay, indicators, and then you paste the indicator file in here, after which you have to head back to your navigator and refresh. All right, so in this case, we're going to be looking for the GOPI CBL, okay, CBL, which stands for count back line. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked, and then these are the customizable settings: the look back bars, default 500, the count back steps, default 2, and the use close default true. You can set it false if you don't want it to be enabled. Okay, so the GOPI countback line indicator is designed to automatically plot adaptive support and resistance levels based on recent price action. All right, so when you notice that a red line has appeared below the candlesticks, then you want to look out for buy opportunities. Okay, and then when a golden line appears above the candlesticks, you want to look out for sell opportunities. Ensure that you pay attention to candlestick confirmation patterns, chart patterns, and then any other confirmation patterns that you usually use for your strategy, because it is not usually good to depend on one indicator as a standalone. Okay, make sure that you also prioritize good risk management. When you get a buy signal, you can enter a buy trade after you get a confirmation candlestick pattern, for example, a pin bar, and then execute a trade based on your account size. Your lot size should be dependent on your account size, and your stop loss should be ideally below the nearest swing low. Your take profit can be around resistance zones, or perhaps when the golden line appears. Okay, you can exit your buy trade. Then for your sell, I recommend trading in the direction of the trend. So in a bearish trend, when the golden line appears above the candlestick, you can execute a sell trade after you've gotten your confirmation, whether it's a bearish engulfing or an evening star or any other bearish candlestick pattern. Your stop loss can be above the swing high, take profit can be around support zones, or perhaps when the red line appears. Okay, so guys, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content about the Forex market. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.